YouTube family, wanna come with me today. Today is something different, a day at work with yours truly, JR. This is gonna be my location for the next couple of weeks or so. This is a building what the shell already here in terms of the brickwork, the block work, and the stud work. This is what we call the stud work. Yeah. So let me turn on the camera if make you guys see how I go on. So now the camera turn around, you guys can see what's going on. For the scaffolding is not yet down. So the scaffolder supposed to come out yesterday to take down the scaffolding, but they haven't come out, so I think they're gonna come out today. So let's give you a little rundown for those of you guys who don't know the process of building in the UK. So UK building is different from building that are in tropical country. If you notice, we have two wall. We have the brick, which is the external wall. Then you have a opening, which is called a cavity, and we put some insulation in there. The purpose of the insulation is to block out the cold from enter and to trap the heat that's inside, because England is a cool country. Then we have some black work, and the black work, this type of black is called thermalite black, because they also help to trap the heat inside. So that's that. The door haven't gone in. The window haven't gone in as yet. You can see all these pipe in the ceiling. These are the pipe for hot water, cold water, and radiator. You have two, one for the hot and one for the cold water, and two for the radiator. The radiator is a form of insulation. These are the radiator pipe, where a radiator gonna be attached to the bottom of there. It have two pipe that circulate the water. The hot water, it come from a system called boiler, where the hot water circulate through the pipe, one let in and one let out, so it's carry on around in a circle. So this is what we call a stud work. There's gonna be a partition here. Or this is a partition to separate the bathroom or the wet room from this area. Yes, the reason why we call this a wet room, because it's for disabled or elderly person who is on a wheelchair or something like that, where you can just wheel them straight into the bathroom, where they can have a shower without worry about the floor getting wet, because they're gonna be a trap in the floor down there. That's why this space haven't full out as yet. Down here, they're gonna be a trap where you just lead the water out through the trap. The floor just the water automatically run out through that trap, and therefore that's how we call it a wet room. This is the pipe down there for the shower, And this is the electric, because it's gonna be an electric shower. So the shower gonna connect to this, which is the cold water flow. Then the electric gonna connect into the shower. And the reason why all the pipe have run like this, because over the pipe they're gonna be plasterboard, aka sheetrock, to conceive all the pipe and the electric behind there, so you can't see them when the building is finished. They're perfectly tucked away where you can't see them. Over here, over the top there, they're gonna be some insulation. The insulation similar like what's going between the cavity, in order to stop the coldness from getting through there, because through there isn't no black carrion up there. So we insulate there. Then the whole of the ceiling gonna be sheetrock. This type of roof that's on here is called a flat roof. A flat roof where we put on ply, then we touch on felting on it. Yeah, so that's the type of roof. This is called a sunlight roof, a roof light, to let in some light in the building. Not here, some light in the building, because true is the back of the existing building and it's dark. So to get some extra light, we put a roof light in the building. So like I said, this gonna be my base for the next couple of weeks. I would keep you in progress. This is where the door gonna cut out to enter into the existing building. There's currently a window there, and this is the next window where they're gonna be a cutting out to make a opening here to the current bedroom that's on the existing building. So this is a rundown of the at work with JR. All this ceiling gonna be plasterboard, aka sheetrock. All the wall gonna be plasterboard through a process of what we call dabbing. Then after that, it's all gonna be plastered and get ready to paint by yours truly, JR. So I will keep you up to date on the progress as we go along. YouTube family, blessing. Continue to follow the journey with yours truly, JR.